Orienteering is a sport that combines speed, navigation, and strategy. Competitors race across forests, fields, and hills, map and compass in hand, seeking checkpoints as fast as possible. It's thrilling, it's challenging, and it relies heavily on access to land. But that access is not always straightforward, and disputes with landowners are a growing concern in the UK. The right to roam grants the public certain freedoms on designated open land, but it is not unlimited. Landowners retain rights over private property, and orienteering clubs must navigate a complex legal landscape when planning competitions. Trespassing or ignoring landowner restrictions can result in legal action, event cancellations, and reputational damage. For organisers, understanding the law is crucial. The Countryside and Rights of Way Act 2000 provides access to mountain, moor, heath and down, but forests, farmland and private estates often fall outside this right. Even where access is permitted, there may be restrictions on timing, environmental protection, livestock or crop safety. Securing written permission from landowners is essential, and failure to do so can expose clubs to civil liability. Disputes often arise when landowners feel their property or operations have been disrupted. Damage to crops, erosion of footpaths, or interference with livestock are common complaints. In these situations, the law balances the rights of property owners with the benefits of sporting activity. Negotiation, risk assessments, and indemnity agreements can prevent escalation, but legal advice is often necessary to ensure agreements are enforceable and comprehensive. At Blackstone Solicitors, we guide orienteering clubs through these complexities. Our advice includes drafting land access agreements, understanding liability, and complying with environmental and health and safety regulations. Clubs benefit from clear, legally sound agreements that protect organisers and participants, while respecting the rights of landowners. For competitors, the stakes are also real. Participation on land without proper permission could lead to trespass claims or event disruption. Awareness of the rules and respect for landowners' rights are vital components of responsible orienteering. Orienteering may be a race through nature, but the legal terrain is just as important as the physical one. Clubs, competitors, and landowners must all work together to ensure that access is lawful, safe, and respectful. Blackstone Solicitors, helping sporting organisations navigate the fine line between adventure, access, and legal compliance. Because in orienteering, the right route off the map matters just as much as the fastest route on it.